Welcome back to the Coding Tech. Have you ever wondered how your favorite video games become so immersive and engaging? What if I told you that intelligence is at the heart of that experience? This video, we are diving deep into advanced concepts that show how AI is transforming game development and design. You won't want to miss this? So, let's start with procedural content generation. This is a method where AI generates game content automatically. Imagine flying through a vast open world that seems endless. That's possible because of procedural generation. Games like No Man's Sky use this technology to create unique planets and ecosystems. Each player can explore a different universe that has been crafted by algorithms. It keeps gameplay fresh and exciting. Now, let's move on to AI in character behavior. Have you noticed how NPCs or non-playable characters in games have become smarter? AI allows these characters to learn from player interactions. For instance, in games like The Last of Us Part 2, NPCs react realistically based on what players do. If you sneak around, they become cautious. If you confront them, they might fight back or flee. This makes for a more dynamic and unpredictable gaming experience. Next, let's explore AI-driven storytelling. Imagine a game where your choices genuinely impact the storyline. AI can analyze your decisions and craft a narrative tailored just for you. In Detroit: Become Human, your choices lead to multiple endings. The AI tracks everything, making you feel like your choices actually matter. This level of personalization enhances emotional engagement. Let's talk about game testing next. AI is proving to be a game changer in quality assurance. Traditionally, human testers would spend countless hours looking for bugs and glitches. With AI, it can now analyze code and gameplay much faster. This means developers can release smoother games with fewer issues. It saves time and resources while improving the player experience. Another important concept is adaptive difficulty. Have you ever felt a game was either too easy or too hard? AI can adjust the game's difficulty based on your performance. If you're breezing through levels, the game can ramp up the challenge. If you're struggling, it can provide assistance or lower the difficulty. This keeps players engaged without getting frustrated or bored. Now, let's dive into AI in visual art and design. AI tools can help artists create stunning graphics more efficiently. For example, Deepart.io uses neural networks to transform images into artwork. Imagine a tool that helps design game worlds with realistic landscapes. This can speed up the design process dramatically. It allows game developers to focus on creativity while AI handles some of the heavy lifting. Let's not forget about voice acting. AI can generate realistic voiceovers that can adapt to different scenarios. Games can now feature a wider variety of characters without hiring numerous actors. For example, AI can create unique voice lines based on the context of the game. This not only saves costs but also enriches the gaming experience. Lastly, let's discuss player engagement through AI. AI algorithms can analyze player behavior to provide personalized recommendations. Think of it as having your own game advisor that knows what you like. This can help you discover new games, levels, or even different ways to play. Using AI, game developers can keep players invested long after they complete a game. So, we've covered a lot of ground today. From procedural content generation to personalized storytelling and beyond. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a key player in the future of gaming. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What AI concept in gaming are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to like this video and share it with your fellow gamers. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, the gaming industry is evolving rapidly, and AI is leading the charge. Stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology with us here at Coding Tech. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos. Catch you in the next one.